So telemedicine in general means the remote treatment and monitoring of patients, usually in a non-clinical setting. For medical device manufacturers, the term is a little bit difficult because the FDA itself does not recognize a discrete category of products that are considered telemedicine products. And if you think about the products that are being used in telemedicine, oftentimes it is a traditional medical device, for example, a blood pressure cuff, that has been given connectivity, properties that it can interact with other devices. There's also a lot of products, electronic products, cell phones, video cameras, laptops, monitors that are necessary for telemedicine but are in fact not even medical devices. So it's a very broad category of products. Designing a medical device for a clinical setting is far easier than designing a medical device for a home setting. If you think about a clinical setting, there are some basic commonalities. The environment is typically free from hazards and pathogens by design. But if you think about people's homes, they're very different. They differ from home to home to home. And the conditions that the medical device will find itself in the home environment is going to vary. I think for that reason, from a risk management standpoint, those companies putting products in the home need to spend a lot of time on human factors engineering. They really need to understand how the patient, a layperson, is going to be interacting with their product and design out the hazards that they're capable of designing out. The other thing that they need to focus on is the warnings and instructions. Just as it's easier to design a medical device for a hospital setting, for example, it's much easier to create a warning, label, instructions for use for a doctor. It's harder to write product safety information, the suite of information you need around that product for lay people who have different abilities that they bring to interacting with those products and understanding how they're supposed to use them safely.